Hey everybody, this is Alex from KeeneOnTheMarket.com with your end of day recap. Market keeps marching higher, even though the trend is still really weak. I think this is just pure summer chop, bouncing up and down. We really don't have a lot of confirmation. This rally seems to be quite universally hated. I want to actually put a basic RSI and show you something that I spotted today. So today, you can see that even though we are making an equal high, we actually have a minor divergence in the RSI. So this tells me that momentum is somewhat waning here to the upside. So you can see that on the RSI here. Some trigger points to keep in mind are this trend line right here in the RSI. If the RSI were to drop and break below this trend line, this would signal a turn in momentum, and we would be very inclined to short a signal like this. So we're just kind of waiting, no signal at the certain point, not really participating in this rally to the upside for the minis. Let's go over the 5-minute. There's a nice buy signal here in the morning. We actually opened inside of a bullish cloud. The buy signal would have been on the first bar, so break outside this neutral to slash bullish area. And you could have held this all day long with the trailing stop following quite nicely behind. Kind of a boring day after 11 o'clock. We really did nothing. Kind of just waggled and wiggled in between 1370 and 1364. Let's take a look at crude. Crude's been actually quite bid for the last couple days. You can see here that I identified this high and tight flag. Our potential target is up here 93.47. We are actually sitting at an overbought stance in oil here. You can see the sentiment zone is outside its confidence band. So oil kind of reaching here. If it hits this target, you might see some retracement back to the downside, currently entering this bearish slash neutral territory on our chart. Euro, let's take a look at Euro. Not much in the Euro, a little bit of bidding in the intraday. You can see these long tail wicks on the bottom. This potentially is neutral, not necessarily bullish. It's just telling me that there's a lot of indecision here. It actually kind of looks like a rising pennant for further break to the downside. Again, we have targets on the Euro for this initial move to 1.2 even. We're starting to hit resistance lines in the dailies as well. So some kind of neutral pattern going on the Euro. So that's it for today's recap. Again, I want to remind you guys we're changing the date for next week's webinar. We've had a lot of people say that they would be able to attend on a Monday night instead of a Sunday night. So we're going to change the date to next week's webinar for earnings on Monday. This is going to be for the 23rd, same time, 6 o'clock. We're going to send out the details about that either today or tomorrow. So you can either register on the website, on our blog, or you can email sales@KeeneOnTheMarket, or you can just reply to the email that we're going to send out if you get this video daily in your email. So we'll hit you back tomorrow. Bye.